Ah, so cute. What's up, you guys? Today's video is going to be on this cute and easy natural hairstyle. A lot of times I like to go to Pinterest to find inspiration for different natural hairstyles that I can do. And I found this picture by Jhene, Aiko, her, basically. And I thought her hair was so cute. And I was like, let me just go ahead and recreate this look. Because to be real, I did not feel like doing my hair today. But I'm kind of glad that I did because I normally don't wear these types of styles because I think they're like for younger people. I'm only 21, but like this makes me look like I'm 12, so a lot of times I don't wear these styles. So before we jump right into the video, feel free to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel if this is your first time here, and also turn on that notification bell so you guys will get alerts whenever we do upload. Also, follow me on all of my social media platforms. The name is going to be somewhere on the screen as well as the links down below in the description box. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. And action. I've been struggling to find inspiration to do my natural hair because it's turning into the fall months, and normally for me during fall I do a lot of braids or protective styles. Okay, so for this style you do want your hair to be dry. I have 4A hair, so I want my hair to end up being like an afro, so that's why I let my hair dry for a couple of days. It's honestly time to wash my hair, but I figure I can still get a couple more styles out of it. Jhene had a part about right here, so that's what I'm going to do. Woo, baby. For now, I'm just going to put the rest of my hair out of the way. Y'all, don't come for me. I'm pretty sure y'all see the flakes and stuff coming out of my hair. That's because I had a lot of Eco Styler gel on my hair and my hair is old. It's really time to wash my hair, so that's why you guys can probably see the product buildup coming out of my hair. All it is gel. So now I have this section right here and my hair is dumb dry. So I'm just going to spritz my hair all over. I didn't want to drench my hair because I still want the hair in the back to be like 2 afro puffs. So if I were to like drench this section up here, it's going to take forever for it to dry and it's not going to look the same as the back. For today's video, I will be using Grow Healthy Shea and Coconut Curling Custard. And for this specific video, it's kind of like a quick and easy natural hairstyle, so I'm not really going to use all of the products that were sent to me. I will use that in a future video because today I just wanted to do a quick and easy style. So I'm just going to be using this curling custard as moisturizer for today. It kind of smells like coconut, but not really. Like, I don't know what the ingredients are in this, but yeah. When it comes to me doing my natural hair, I do like to read up on the products that I am using in my hair. And most times for video shooting purposes, I will use the products that I normally don't use on a day-to-day basis. I use both, but I kind of like to stick to just using coconut oil, olive oil, and a brush most of the time, or some type of gel as well. I don't really like to put a lot of different leave-in conditioners and all that stuff on my hair because my hair really doesn't like it as much. And like sometimes it'll leave my scalp itchy, as well as I don't know what all the ingredients are in here. So when it comes to the whole beauty industry, you guys kind of have to do your own research and make sure that you are okay with some of the chemicals and things that you are putting in your hair. So that's just a heads up. Next, I'm going to put a little bit of Eco Styler gel at the roots of my hair just to lay my braid down more. For this section up here, all I'm going to do is a cornrow to the scalp. So now I'm just going to start my braid and it's going to go across this way. I decided to braid my hair almost to the end, but to leave a little bit out. That way it can kind of blend into the puff once I'm done with the braiding. Now I'm going to make a part going down this way, and all I'm really doing is just sectioning off the front piece of hair. That way I can braid that back as well. So overall, this moisturizer is not the best natural hair product that I've used, but it's also not the worst when it comes to moisturizing. I think if I were to incorporate this with like the lock method, so liquid, oil, and then the cream, then it might do okay. But I just know that for me, since I have 4A hair, my hair tends to like more of the thicker and heavier creams that actually coat all of my hair. This seems more to be water-based. So now I'm going to part off a little section up here. And the reason for me sectioning it off up here versus sectioning it off this way, I want the braid to go like that. So I want to start the braid right about here. So now that the braiding is done, I'm going to part this back section right here, just down the middle. Now I'm just going to moisturize both of my puffs back here. And again, I don't want to drench my hair with water, but I do need to moisturize it because it's so dry. All I did to moisturize my hair in the back was spritz my hair again with water and then just follow it up with the moisturizer that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. I didn't want to add Eco Styler gel at the back of my hair on my roots because I'm not really going to leave this style in. And I feel like this hairstyle is going to be cute whether you put gel on the back or not. So next, since I cannot seem to find my ponytail holders, I'm going to have to use these small rubber bands. And I'm just going to gather all of my hair up and smooth it down as best as I can, as well as grabbing this braid at the front. And then all I did was put it into a ponytail, as you guys can see here. Now all I'm doing is accessorizing my hairstyle by putting these hair cuffs somewhere in my hair. Since that's done, all I'm going to do now is design my edges. I like to start by combing out my edges that I'm going to be working with versus just slapping gel everywhere because it kind of gets messy like that, and a lot of times it'll mess up my makeup and I don't feel like fixing it. With natural hairstyles, I like to just use Eco Styler gel on my edges. I know a lot of people have mixed emotions about Eco Styler gel, but for me it works, so I'm just gonna keep on using it. I've heard like a lot of people say that they don't like the chemicals or whatever that's in Eco Styler gel. But the fact is that there's pretty much the same chemicals in all the other hair products that we use as well. So again, like I said at the beginning of the video, just do your research. And I'm one of those people that's like, I like to know what I'm using and putting on my body. But at the same time, you know, at least I have that knowledge to know what I am doing to my body. At least I have the choice. At least I'm like just using it and not knowing the consequences of it. But on the lighter side of Eco Styler gel, I know a lot of people don't like to use it because they say it doesn't hold their hair down. But for me, I've never had that experience unless I am outside and exercising. And whenever I am going to be outside and it's a hot day, I will follow it up with Got To Be Glued gel. But today I'm not really exercising or going anywhere, so Eco Styler gel is just fine. I look like a little girl. Basically now all I'm doing is waiting for my hair to dry, that way I can fluff out my puffs, but they're pretty fluffed out right now. Like, I think the hairstyle is pretty cute as it is. There are two variations to this hairstyle. The first one is just wearing your puffs like this, and then the other variation is like making these into buns if you want to. So you could just like pin them like this. That's how Jhene had hers in the picture, and her hair is like a little bit looser than, actually it's a lot looser than mine is. Her hair is probably like 3A, maybe 2 something. So I'm just going to leave my hair like this, but yes, that is the second variation to this hairstyle. So guys, this pretty much brings it to the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel if this is your first time here. Don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. The name is going to be somewhere on the screen, as well as the links down below in the description box. Thanks again for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.